What if a tiny plug-in device could magically cut your electricity bill and protect all your appliances at the same time? That's exactly what PowerPlug Pro claims to do, and the promise sounds almost too good to ignore. The device is marketed as a simple solution you plug into any wall outlet, and according to its advertisements, it uses something called power tune technology, along with advanced capacitors to stabilize the power flow in your home, reduce wasted electricity, and even protect appliances from voltage spikes. The idea behind it sounds appealing because electricity bills are rising everywhere, so a device that supposedly optimizes energy usage across your entire house naturally gets a lot of attention online. The marketing pages also suggest that once it's plugged in, the system begins balancing electrical current and improving efficiency throughout the wiring of the home, which in theory could lead to lower power consumption. However, when looking deeper into how electricity actually works, the situation becomes a little more complicated. Electrical experts often explain that energy usage is primarily determined by the appliances themselves, things like refrigerators, air conditioners, heaters, and electronics that actively draw power. A small device connected to a single outlet typically cannot change how much electricity those appliances consume. Many similar products that have appeared online in recent years have been opened up by technicians, and in a lot of cases they contain only simple components such as capacitors and LED lights. These parts may help slightly with filtering or stabilizing minor fluctuations, but they generally don't have the capability to significantly reduce an entire household's energy bill. Another thing people often notice is that products like this are heavily marketed through aggressive online sales funnels, flashy discounts, countdown timers, and claims of thousands of reviews that are difficult to independently verify. Because of that, it becomes important for buyers to approach these kinds of devices with a balanced mindset, look beyond the marketing claims, and understand how home electricity consumption actually works before deciding whether a plug-in gadget like PowerPlug Pro is truly a useful solution or simply another overhyped energy-saving product circulating online.